So made a video a minute ago of the mower starting on the liquid encouragement starting fluid, and so now I've got the new fuel filter on and the shut-off valve put on, and I also got fresh gas in the gas tank. So now we're going to see if it'll start by itself without the starting fluid. So turn on this valve right here. There you go, guys. Obviously it's not idling correctly, so I'm gonna see if I can get that figured out. And but it's a good step in the right direction. It's obviously starting up and running under its own power on its own fuel. So so let me see if I can take a look at it and figure out what's causing the idle issue. I think it might be because of that huge fuel filter. I don't know. It made that fuel line dip down quite a bit. I don't know if you saw me messing with that, but I'll figure that out and see if I can get something figured out here as to why it's idling funny like that. So anyway, there you go, guys. Just wanted to make that quick update and see if we can get that figured out. All right, take care.